Hi students, welcome to Tricks in JEE and NEET. From chemical kinetics, this type of question will be asked. See, this question is from JEE 2014. They asked to find the order of this reaction. How to find? Here I will discuss the normal procedure and a trick also. First, see, rate of reaction. For reactions, how to write rate of reaction? Rate of reaction is equal to K into, this is rate constant, concentration of A to the power X and the concentration of B to the power Y. X and Y are order with respect to A and order with respect to B. This is the differential rate equation. You have to find the order of this reaction. X plus Y is the order of this entire reaction. Okay. How to find that? First, here concentration of A is 0.1 mole and this is 0.1 molarity and rate of formation is given. So 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 3 is equal to K into 0.1 whole to the power X, 0.1 whole to the power Y. And write down the next one. This is first and this is second. 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 3 is equal to K into 0.1 to the power X, 0.2 to the power Y. This is the first one. This is the second one. And write third one also. 2.4 into 10 to the power minus 3 is equal to K into. Okay. This is the third one. Now, how to find X and Y? This is simple max calculation. Okay. First one is divide 1 divided by 2. Then what you will get? 1 is equal to 1 upon 2 to the power Y. Order with respect to Y is 0. Because it will become 2 to the power minus Y. This is 1. Anything to the power 0 will be 1. So here it will be x to the power 0. So minus Y is 0. Y is 0. Okay. Next. Divide 2 with respect to 3 or see, divide 1 divided by 3. Then you will get 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 to the power x. Then x will be 1. This is the process. Now I am gonna tell you a trick. See, you can use this trick without pen and paper. First, take initial concentration of A is 0.1 and initial concentration of B is 0.1. Okay. And here rate of reaction is given. Next, see the reaction. Same the reaction second time 0.1. Here 0.2. What happened? B concentration doubled. Here it is 0.1. 0.1 into 2 will be 0.2. It means concentration of B is doubled. If concentration of B is doubled, look at the rate of reaction. Is there any change in rate of reaction? No. So, what happens? It means that order with respect to B will be 0. Okay. Next, see. This is 0.2 and here concentration of A is 0.1. It means concentration of A is doubled. B is remained same. Concentration of A is doubled. Look at the rate of reaction. It is also doubled. It means that this concentration doubled, rate of reaction also doubled. So order with respect to A is 1. That's it. After this I will give you do it yourself questions also. See. This is trick 2. Zero order reactions. How? X gives rise to Y product. Okay. This follows zero order reaction. Find the time required for completion of 60% of X. Okay, like these questions are given. Like this reaction follows zero order reaction. How much time it will take to complete X%? For this type of question, this is the trick. The trick is, see, time is equal to whatever the percent they given. 60% they give. So 60% upon 50 into T half. That's it. This is the trick. If reaction is like this with a number of moles, then T will be 60% by 50, same, okay, into how many number of moles? 2. So this is the trick. Write it for a general one. Time required for the completion of 60%. So here X% upon 50. X% it means 60%, 50% into T half. For this type of reactions, time will be X% upon 50 into number of moles N into T half. That's it. Apply this trick. So yeah. So apply this trick here. T is equal to how much percent they asked? 60%. So 60 by 50 into T half is 2, right? So it is 12 by 5. That's it. 12 by 5 means 5 2s 10, 2.4 I think. 5 2s 10, yeah, 2.4 minutes. Okay. Yes, you can trust this. Okay. Now for this also apply. T will be 60 by 50 into 2. Moles is 2, right? So 2. Then it will become 1.2 minutes. That's it. Completed. So yeah, I'm gonna give you do it yourself questions. See these questions. These are NCERT questions 75 and 76 initial rate method. First, try to solve this without pen and paper. Next, check yourself whether you got correct answer or not. So thank you so much for watching this video. The next video will be uploaded soon from this chapter. Thank you.